Suppose I have a plate, very large, 25 meters long, and 5 centimeters wide, 25 meters long and 5 centimeters wide. I have two of them, called a plate capacitor. And let the distance between them, d, let the d be, oh, let's make it very small, because we want a real big capacitor, 0.01 millimeters. Very small gap between them. So now I substitute the numbers in there. I can calculate the area. I have to calculate the area here for the plate in square meters, of course. Multiplied by epsilon 0 and divided by d in meters. And when you do that, you find that the capacitance of this big monster is only 1 microfarad. It's not very much. And when you go to Radio Shack and you buy yourself a 1 microfarad capacitor, you don't buy something that is 25 meters long and yay big. Well, you may actually buy that without you realizing that. Because these large plates, these very long ribbons of conductors, two very close together, separated by some insulating material, very thin, they are rolled up often. And you don't notice that, but they are rolled up and they're put in a little canister, and that then gives you a parallel plate capacitor. I brought one with me. That's one that I have used for several years, but today I decided to cut it open for you so that you can look inside, and then you actually will see you're going to see it there. This is the canister in which it was, and so I cut the canister open, and when you look here, you see there is this conductor, looks like aluminum foil, and then there's insulating material, and then you find more conductors on the other side, and so it is rolled up. Here, if I unroll it here, I'm breaking it, but that's okay. So you see the idea of a parallel plate capacitor, how it can be rolled up nicely, and you're not realizing that you're really talking often about meters, many meters of material. Now, through chemical techniques, the distance d can easily be made 1,000 times smaller than this. And if the distance is 1,000 times smaller, then you would get a capacitance of 1,000 microfarads. Compare that with the Earth, which is only 700 microfarads.